So Tommy, what's the biggest mistake you've made on a job site?
Well, I've made many over the years.
If you could just choose one.
One that comes to mind is one back in my early apprentice days. We used to plumb multiple houses in the same street in housing estates. And yeah, I thought that's the house I'm going to. I installed it. Boss rang me, mate, where are you? You going to whack that hottie in? I said, mate, it's all done. He was getting phone calls off the builder there. And I worked out, I installed it at the wrong address, so I had to do the walk of shame, rip it out, wheel it across the road.
Across the road?
Yeah, across the road. What about you, mate?
When I was an apprentice doing some shelving, so I was shooting some trim on for the shelving about the end of the day, probably Thursday arvo. Quickly got in the car, shot off, and came back in the morning and I'd shot a water pipe. So all the water was gushing down the hallway like the Nile River.
Oh, God.
So boss wasn't too happy with me.
That'll teach you, mate. Use a stud finder.
Yeah, exactly, or a water finder.